avec your French aid. Now imagine this. You're in Paris and you walk into a cafe and you want to sound confident and polite while speaking French. What do you say? If you're thinking merci and s'il vous plaît, you're off to a good start. But today, I'm going to teach you some polite French expressions that will make you sound more like a true native. Okay? On y va. Alors, let's start with the basics. In the previous video, we looked at words such as bonjour and bonsoir, and these words can also be used as polite expressions. Okay? Now, if you remember the meaning of these words, can you drop them in the comment section? Oui? Très bien. Alors, so the next one we're going to look at is merci. 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 And of course, you may already know the meaning of this one, which is thank you. Okay, merci. The next one is s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. And s'il vous plaît means please. All right. The next one is excusez-moi. 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 And of course, that is excuse me. And the final one that we'll look at is pardon. 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 And pardon is sorry. All right? Now, let's level up with phrases that show real politeness and finesse. And with these phrases, people will think, wow, they really know their French. Okay? And the first one is je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Now, je vous en prie is not only formal and polite, but it's also a classy way of saying you're welcome. Okay? Je vous en prie. Next, we have avec plaisir. Avec plaisir. Now, this is a charming way of saying with pleasure or even you're welcome. All right? The next expression we have is pourriez-vous. Pourriez-vous. And this expression means could you. Par exemple, pourriez-vous m'aider s'il vous plaît? Pourriez-vous m'aider s'il vous plaît? Could you help me, please? Bien. The next expression we have is je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé is a simple way of saying I am sorry. Okay? I am sorry. And the next expression we have is ce n'est pas grave. Ce n'est pas grave. Ce n'est pas grave. All right? And this expression means it's no big deal. Now, let's try this. I will say a sentence in English and you will guess the polite French expression and write it in the comments. All right? So the first one is could you help me please? Could you help me please? All right? Could you help me please? And the next one is it's no big deal. It's no big deal. All right? So if you know these French expressions, write them in the comments. All right? And if you were able to get these correct, you are on your way to speaking French like a pro. Très bien. Let's put these expressions into action. Imagine you're in these different situations. So you're shopping in Paris and you would like to know the cost of something. Instead of saying combien ça coûte, which is how much does it cost, we could take it up another notch and say excusez-moi, pourriez-vous me dire le prix de ceci s'il vous plaît? Excusez-moi, pourriez-vous me dire le prix de ceci s'il vous plaît? Which is, excuse me, Could you tell me the price of this, please? Okay. Now, you're at a cafe ordering, let's say, a coffee. Okay. Instead of saying un café, s'il vous plaît, we could be even more polite and say bonjour, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Bonjour, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît, which is hello, I would like a coffee, please. And finally, let's say you want to ask for direction on how to find the train station. Instead of saying où est la gare, which is where's the train station, okay, we could say excusez-moi. Pourriez-vous me dire où se trouve la gare, s'il vous plaît? Excusez-moi. Pourriez-vous me dire où se trouve la gare, s'il vous plaît? Okay, and that is, excuse me, could you tell me where to find the train station, please? Okay, and that would be a great way of asking for direction. Okay, voila. Now you know how to be extra polite in French and impress native speakers. Remember to practice these phrases, and the next time you're in a French-speaking country, use them with confidence. Want to test your knowledge? Comment below with a polite French expression that you learned today. There will also be a PDF document with all the expressions that we've learned today, okay? And the link will be provided in the description, okay? So you can download it for further practice. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more fun and useful French lessons, okay? Alors, merci et à bientôt.